So guys, in this part here, what we are going to do, so they given us this substitution u equals to 2x plus 5. So when they given us u equals to 2x plus 5, we are going to follow these 4 steps. The first step is we're using this substitution to work out x and dx. Now this is the most important thing which I want you to understand and maybe make a note of that one. The aim is to completely remove all the x's and replace with u. So in the question they have given us x and u, but what we need to do, we need to change all the x's to u. Okay, so what we are going to do in this part here now guys, so we are going to write down u equals to 2x plus 5. Now Ayushi, can you help us? What is du by dx going to be?
2.
2. Very good. Now again we can see that one du by dx equal to 2 there, but because we can see we got dx, we need to make dx as a subject, so therefore dx is going to be du over 2. Now we need to remember to follow the same steps that will make your question looks quite simple. Now also we need to make x as a subject. Why we need to make x as a subject? Because we can see we might need it here. But I'm going to go to step 2 straight away. Now step 2 I'm trying to do with blue pen so we get an idea. So I will write on the question here. So who can tell me, Sonali, what do you think we can write rather than x? What we can write rather than x, Sonali?
U minus 5 over 2.
U minus 5 over 2. So I will explain to you how we got u minus 5 over 2. We know u is equal to 2x plus 5. We make x as a subject, so we got u minus 5 equal to 2x. And x equal to u minus 5 over 2. Our main aim is everything in the integral sign we want to make in terms of u. And Kaya, what do you think we can write to 2x plus 5, root of 2x plus 5, what we can write to it, Kaya?
I'm not sure.
Okay, what is 2x plus 5 equals to?
U.
U. So what we can write to root of 2x plus 5, u to power half or u to power root of u1. Yes?
Yeah.
And what we can write rather than dx, Kaya? Dx we can write on?
Du over 2.
Right, okay. Now guys, does this make sense to everyone what we done so far? Now I wrote another tip here. If there's a constant, we want to make the question easy and accessible to you. What I mean by that, we don't want to make the question looking horrible to you. So we are going to simplify it. We know half time half is going to be 1/4. We end up with 1 over 4 u minus 5 times by u to power half du. Now you can see that when your question looks quite tidy up there. Okay, Aryan, what do you think we can do after this step once we're done? Can we integrate it u minus 5 bracket u to power half? Can we integrate Aryan this one or no? What we need to do?
I'm not sure.
Ayushi, any idea what we can do? What we can do? Go on, Ayushi. This how we can integrate this one. If not, I will go through it with you. Go on, Ayushi.
We expand the brackets and
Good.
then
Good, very good. What we get when we expand the brackets? U to power 3 over 2, yes?
minus 5u to the half
5
du.
du, right? Okay, we can put in the bracket because du belongs to everything. Now guys, we need to continue with the du and integral sign. We have not integrated it yet. So what we have done, we just write down in the form of u, we expanded it. So Rn, what is the integration of u to power 3 over 2 going to be?
U to the power 5 over 5. It's 5 over 2 u 5 over to the power 5 over 2.
We write over 5 over 2, and whatever we write over 5 over 2, what we can do at the end there, we can times by 5 over 2. I'm multiplying my 1/4 here, and Rn go on u to power half. What answer we get? U to power half is u to power
3 over 2.
Divided by, keep going,
3 over 2
plus c, right? Can you simplify a little bit, please? So 5 over 2 becomes 2 over 5, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so go on, what we get?
So it'll be u 5 over 5 2 times
So we got 2 over 20,
2 over 5.
2 over 20, yes.
Yep, and then plus
U to power 5 over 2
2
minus 2 over 12. I'm writing non-simplify so you get an idea. 2 over 12 U to power 3 over 2 plus C. Right? So we got that one. 2 over 12, obviously we can write it down 1 over 6 and so on, which is not a problem. And what we get at the end there, what we are going to have at the end there, we got 5 as well. So we got 5 times by 5 as well. Last step, Snali, can you tell us the last step? What is the last step going to be?
So it'd be 1 over, so you'd sub in the value of u, so 2x plus 5.
Very good, which is?
So it'd be 1 over 10 brackets 2x plus 5 to power 5 over 2.
2x plus 5 to power 5 over 2. Very good.
Minus 5 over 6.
Yes.
U, 2x plus 5 to power 3 over 2 plus c.
Very good. Now guys, if you did not understand anything, you ask me. Otherwise, we are going to follow the same steps for the next one. I'm going to recap for you. Step 1, we use the substitution. I'm going to highlight the things so you get an idea and remember it. So step 1, what we have done, we wrote u equals to what they gave us. We differentiated the u, we get du by dx. Once we differentiated, we need to make dx as the subject because in the question we have dx. Then we are going to replace everything in the integration sign with u so that we can have everything in terms of u. Remember when we used to do simultaneous equation, we used to have either in terms of x or y. Similarly, everything in terms of u we need to write down. When we write down, I wrote a small tip here. You take the constant factor as a common factor because we don't want to look our question quite horrible. We want to look it quite nice, easy. We got 1 over 4 and we done it. Then simply we just integrated it. Once we integrated it, we can see that one at the end, what we need to do, we need to substitute